if we fail this year, like 2025, then we want next year to na, this is my year, 2026, akin na to. Like, akin na talaga yung year na yan. Hi there, it's Ace and welcome back to another episode of the Safe Space Podcast. This podcast is made for you to feel heard, feel seen, and feel safe. And for today's topic, medyo excited ako kasi pag-uusapan natin how to glow up next year, like 2026 na. I'm shooting this like around December na so literally I intended to film this to give you a step-by-step guide how to glow up next year. Yes, these are based lang din sa mga naging effective sa akin na ginawa ko last year, 2024 where I set an intention na 2025 will be the biggest year of my life, which is wala talaga din. No doubt, 2025 is the best year of my life. Like, really, ang dami ko na-accomplish, ang dami ko mga na-unlock and na-check sa bucket list ko. So, let's get right into it natin. First things first, you need to ask yourself, ano ba talaga yung goal mo? Fitness ba? Glowy skin ba? Career ba? Financial ba? Ask yourself kung ano yung pinaka talaga na goal mo na gusto mong ma-achieve next year. Realize ko lang it's really okay na pagsabayin lahat ng bagay. Pero dapat meron kang priority talaga. Like, kumaga, number one talaga na priority na you want to achieve next year. And pwede mong pagsabayin yung mga ibang bagay na gusto mong achieve by limiting it. Hindi naman limiting it, pero kumaga kulangan mo yung energy na na-spend mo dun sa mga bagay niya. For example na lang if ang main goal mo talaga is to be a content creator or influencer diba? Dapat yung time and energy mo talaga let's just say mga 80% yung spend mo na time and energy mo next year for content creation and for influencing sa pag-shoot, sa pag-iisip ng topic maybe kailangan mo mag-move out, you know what I mean? Maybe goal mo rin na magka-body na talaga you want to achieve your dream body put that 20% na naiwan. Like, you can extend it like 30% or pagsabayin mo talaga you can do all the things all at once, pero dapat knows mo kung ano talaga yung priority mo. Like, dapat alam mo kung ano talaga yung dapat mong unahin na hindi siya non-negotiable. Kumbaga, everyday dapat magpo-post ka, mag-shoot ka, non-negotiable mo talaga yun Kasi, one of the reasons talaga bakit nagkaka-burnout tayo, we feel like parang wala tayong progress at the same time, ginawa na natin lahat-lahat, pero parang napapagod tayo is because pinagsasabay mo lahat-lahat all at once. You want to achieve everything all at once, which is talaga not ideal. I wish meron nagsabi sa akin neto kasi everything is possible, pero parang feel natin gusto natin lahat-lahat mangyari talaga all at once. Talaga dapat mo kung ano yung priority mo and kung ano yung mga a last priority. Next thing is create a vision board. Really kung alam mo lang last year ko siyang ginawa and yan yung vision board ko for this year 2025 and believe it or not most of it is nagkatotoo. Like, most of it talaga is I'm living it. Like, I can still believe it kasi meron ako nakitang isang video and post na if you create a vision board parang may magic na mangyayari, ganun So for me naman wala naman parang magic na nangyari I don't want to invalidate din naman yung effort ko, yung time na spendan ko sa pag-achieve ng mga na-achieve ko this year. Nilagay ko yung vision board ko sa place na araw-araw nakikita ko talaga. Like, doon ko siya nilagay kung saan ko nilalagay yung mga skincare ko kasi every time talaga skincare ako. So parang every time nag-skincare ako nare-remind ko yung utak ko na ito yung goal natin, ito yung dapat nating achieve this year. Another thing is pwede mo rin siyang iset digital, like gawin mo siyang wallpaper. Talaga gusto kong i-remind sa sarili ko na let's go. Ito yung pinangako natin, pinramis natin last 2025, so dapat 2026 ma-achieve natin yan. Like, checklist natin yan. Another important thing and dito lahat talaga nagkakatalo is consistency. Consistency talaga medyo natatawa ako kasi alam mo, even me talaga nag-sleep out din ako minsan hindi ko rin na-follow yung mga routines na dapat kong i-follow. Wala sigurong best tip talaga for consistency, pero dapat maging accountable ka talaga sa sarili mo Always mong i-remind sa sarili mo na everything is a choice. If hindi ka mag-shoot, if hindi ka mag-exercise, if hindi ka nag-study, it's a choice. You choose na mabagsak, you choose na maging unhealthy, you choose na hindi makapag-post ng mga videos mo. Parang nag-snooze ako and parang hindi ko fina-follow yung alarm, nagtatamad-tamaran ako This is a choice. This is a choice and dapat ang sisihin ko lang din is sarili ko. Walang ibang tao kundi sarili ko lang din. Pero aminin mo, every time na pagkatapos mo mag-exercise or matapos yung task na yan, hindi mo pinagsisihan na gawin yon. Really, feel mo parang meron kang na-achieve, feel mo parang ang fulfilling ng feeling na nagawa mo yung isang bagay because that's it Yung anxiety and yung parang feel mo na ang hirap-hirap gawin only exists before mo gawin yung isang bagay. Kumbaga, it only exists in your mind. Pero once you do the actual thing and actual task na talaga, yung utak mo is parang na-manipulate mo na oh my God, kaya ko pala siya. Kaya ko pala talaga siyang gawin. Also, te, dapat, every time na magsiset ka ng intention, te, or small task, dapat lagi mo yung te i-meet. Like, what I mean, te, for example, sabi mo, every single day, dapat iinom ako ng 2 liters of water. Pag na-meet mo te yung 2 liters of water nito every single day, mapapractice yung utak mo te na kaya mong gawin yung isang bagay. Kumbaga magkaka-self-trust ka te na pag pala nag-set ako ng intention, pag pala nag-set ako ng promises sa sarili ko, is kaya ko talaga yung gawin. Diyan at diyan nagbibuild yung consistency te, and parang muscle memory talaga yan te. O once na parang ginawa mo yung isang bagay over and over again, parang nasanay ka na and it doesn't feel like a chore. It feels like a part of your lifestyle. It feels like, you know, a normal routine lang. May case talaga te, yung pag-shoot every single day is parang normal na lang talaga siya, parang hindi siya option, hindi siya parang, ano ba yan? Need ko ba talaga gawin yan? Feel ko parang as Ace Alexander te, kasama na talaga yan sa routine ko. Like, yung pag-shoot, routine ko na talaga yan. Pagiging best friend mo talaga dito yung to-do list, te. Meron ako mga sticky notes talaga, te, kasi lagi ko yung nilalagay to-do, ganyan-ganyan, te. And also, yung calendar, mag-timer ka, te. Kasi, te, if hindi mo talaga i-manipulate yung utak mo na, force yung utak mo, te, na gawin mo yan, wala talaga, te. Magiging comfortable ka lang talaga. And also, kasi, te, yung utak natin and yung katawan natin, te, is nag-a-adapt sa kung ano yung nire-repeat natin every single day. Hindi mo mapansin, te, yung parang pagliligo, parang hindi na siya option sa'yo, te, di ba? Kasi paulit-ulit mo na yung ni-repeat na parang feel mo normal lang talaga yon. So same sa mga goals mo, te, same sa mga tasks na need mo talaga gawin. For example, yung pag-exercise, te, once na nag-exercise ka every single day, feel mo part na talaga yun ng routine mo. Ay hindi ka magiging comfortable, te, na hindi mo yun magawa. Parang feel mo hindi ikaw yun. That's the thing, te. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Kailangan mong i-repeat paulit-ulit, te, kung ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin. Always mong i-remind sa sarili mo, te, na nothing change if nothing change. If hindi ka talaga, te, nag-shoot or nag-exercise or kung ano man yung goals mo, te, nag-study, nothing change if nothing change. Walang magbabago, te. A lot of us, we want to experience different things, te, not knowing na we do the same thing over and over again. For example, te, di ba? Nag-expect ka na papasa ka sa exam, papasa ka, te, as, you know, maging supernova cum laude ka, te. Pero, hindi ka nagsa-study, or yung pagsa-study mo, te, is parang around 2 minutes lang, te, tapos doom scroll na. Di ba? You expect different outcomes, different output, pero yung routine mo, yung habits mo, yung ginagawa mo every single day is same lang din, paulit-ulit. You need different inputs para magka-different output ka rin. That's why always yung sinasabi na consistency without strategy is dumb. If parang paulit-ulit lang din and walang nababago, wala talaga mababago tayo kasi paulit-ulit lang din yung ginagawa mo. Let's proceed sa mindset, programming on how to glow up talaga. Please remind yourself that it's now or never. Every time na gusto mong gawin yung routine na yan, te, ginagawa mo yan because merong benefits. Hindi mo ginagawa yan dahil parang pinapahirapan ka. You are not doing it to struggle. Yung pagkakaroon ng good grades, te, is ginagawa mo yan para pumasa ka, para hindi ka mahirapan in the future, para wala ka ng asikasuhin, te, para hindi ka na bumalik sa pag-aaral. Every time na mag-make ka ng decision, always mong itatak sa utak mo na I'm doing this because it is beneficial for me. For example, te, yung pag-shoot ko, diba? Kailangan ko mag-shoot and mag-post every single day kasi beneficial siya sa part ko na, you know, mag-grow yung following ko, mag-grow yung brand ko, and more brand deals, more pera, more money, more trips. You know what I mean, te? Dapat, yung utak kasi natin, te, is parang nag-crave ng reward. Like, it's our nature, te, na, you know, feel validated, feel appreciated, na dapat talaga meron kapalit yung isang bagay bago natin yung gawin. So, i-reset mo yung utak mo, te, na lahat ng ginagawa mo every single day is meron yung kapalit na mabuti, like, beneficial yan sa'yo. Hindi mo lang ginagawa yan para pahirapan, dahil sinabi ko lang, te, na do this, do this. Ginagawa mo yan para for your own good, sa own benefits mo lang din. Another important thing, te, is that once na nag-start ka mag-set na intention, di ba, like ready na yung mga vision board, dapat, te, always yung isipin na hindi na ikaw yung dating ikaw. Like, yung old self mo, te, is wala na talaga. Like, yung old self mo na tamad, hindi nagsa-study, hindi nag-exercise, hindi nagsa-skincare, hindi nagbabasa ng books, hindi nag-research, is hindi na ikaw yun. Like, kumbaga, deads na talaga yung old self mo. This time, this year, kumbaga, te, new year, new you. Ganon, new year, new me. Pwede yung pang-title this podcast, New Year, New Me. But anyways, te, parang magkaka-alter ego ka, te. It's best na rin na parang pangalanan mo yung alter ego mo, te. In my case, Ace Alexander is not my real name talaga, te, biological name. That's why yun yung nag-switch ako as Ace Alexander. Parang feel ko, te, I'm a new person. Sa Ace kasi, te, is nag-exercise siya, nag-shoot siya, nagpo-podcast siya, consistent siya. So parang always ko nire-remind sa sarili ko na hindi na ako yung dating ako. It's not fake it talaga. For me, it's becoming. It's becoming the best version of yourself na hindi kayang gawin ng old self mo. Kumbaga, need lang mag-switch, te. Need lang gumawa ng alternative way, te, para maging ikaw yung best self mo. Kasi, te, if hindi mo talaga i-destroy yung identity mo, feel ko mauulit-ulit lang din. Kasi, mareremind yung utak mo na nagawa ko ng maging tamad before, nagawa ko na hindi mag-study before, pero ayos naman din. So, ayos lang din na gawin ko ulit. And also, te, you need to accept the fact that minsan, meron ka talaga kailangan i-sacrifice. For example, te, di ba, since kinareer ko talaga te, yung pagiging influencer and content creator, te, wala na masyado akong time sa friends ko, sa family ko, hindi masyado ko nakakapag-catch up sa mga ganap. And that's the price you need to pay, te. Lahat talaga ng bagay is merong kapalit, merong kailangan i-sacrifice, te. As what I have said before, te, if wala kang sacrifice sa isang bagay, you are not doing your best, te. Since ako, te, I am willing to pay the price or that sacrifice, te, ayos lang na hindi masyado ako makapag-catch up kasi alam kong para sa akin to. Like, medyo magiging selfish ka talaga, te, and medyo hindi ka talaga maintindihan ng ibang tao. Pero para sa akin talaga, te, since alam mo talaga na yung intention mo is to really glow up and to have a new life talaga, te, like you are sick and tired of having this paulit-ulit na lang, te, na outcome, it's okay to be selfish talaga, te. Medyo harsh yung word, te, na selfish, pero if para sa kanila, te, selfish ka by choosing yourself, then let those people, te, na hindi nakakaintindi sa'yo to perceive you as selfish. Hayaan mo lang sila, te. Kasi wala ka namang inaapakang ibang tao, te, di ba? Or parang inaagrabyado dyan, or inaapakang mga rights dyan, te. Glowing up talaga, te, ang dami talaga. Like, it's a lot of things. Hindi ko kayo tinatakot, te, pero sobrang worthy talaga, te. Once na meron ka nakitang progress, in my case talaga, te, hindi pa tayong fully talaga na, capability ko, te, or for me, this is the moment, like, naging successful or what na talaga, te. Pero right now, te, na parang carry ko nang mag-travel alone, like yung confidence, te, na na-build ko. It's not about the material, te, yes, bonus, te, yung magandang ganyan, te. Pero yung confidence talaga, te, na na-build ko sa sarili ko, yung self-trust, na kaya ko nang mag-travel, te, na walang kasama, makipag-communicate, te, sa mga brands, and although meron mga negative comments ako natatanggap, is kaya ko nang i-internalize yun, and hindi yun i-take personally. It's not about the outcome, te, but it's about the identity and the version of yourself, te, na mabibuild mo throughout the process of glowing up. If sobrang napagod ka, te, and sobrang tinatamad ka na, te, and parang minamanipulate ka ng utak mo na huwag ka mag-exercise, like, it's okay, pero still, te, nag-exercise ka, kumbaga you unlock the version of yourself, te, na kayang mag-exercise kahit na sobrang lazy mo. Kaya mong i-uplift yung sarili mo to do the hard things, even though yung katawan mo or yung utak mo, te, is ayaw talaga. That's the thing, te. Yung identity mo na ganon, you've unlocked it by doing those chores and habits. Last but not the least talaga, te, is be patient. Be patient talaga, te. Minsan slow, talaga, te, yung progress. Regardless if gaano pa katagal yung outcome, te, na inaantay mo talaga, show up. Show up talaga, te. Kasi diyan talaga karamihan, te, nag-give up, if parang nakita natin na nag-flop yung video, parang medyo pumalya tayo sa isang routine, parang feel natin wala na, like useless na lahat ng mga ginawa natin. No talaga, te, always remind yourself na good things don't happen overnight, don't appear overnight. It takes time talaga, and it takes consistency, patience, and compassion talaga din sa sarili mo na regardless if mag-slip out ka, regardless if parang konting nag-fail ka, regardless if parang wala mo ng result, is ipupush mo pa rin. Mag-show up ka pa rin. That's the real confidence. 2 while I'm saying this, 22 minutes and 22 seconds. If alam mo talaga, te, na yung bagay is para sa'yo, like you really want to grow up, te, like pagod ka na talaga, maging sluggish, maging like I'm sick and tired of my old version, te, ganon. Always remind yourself that it takes time talaga to have all the good things. But what's important, te, is that yung version ng sarili mo na kahit wala pa masyadong progress, is kaya mong mag-show up. In my case talaga, te, I'm so proud kasi before ganyan din talaga ako, te. Sobrang easy ko lang ma-trigger ng mga ganong outcome. If parang nag-flop yung video ko, hindi umabot ng 1,000 views, ganyan. Feel ko parang hindi na ako relevant. Feel ko pangit yung mga topics ko. Pero yung algorithm talaga, te, is I cannot control it. Yung mga tao, yung pinapanood nila, te, yung preference nila, is I cannot control it. But what's important, te, is that I still show up. But yeah, te, this year, I'm rooting for you, te, na this year, iba ka na. Like, you are not the same person as before. If carry mo, te, ego death talaga, te, and like fully throw your old self, te. It's not about hating your old self, te, but it's about accepting and becoming the best version of yourself. And i-realize na yung old version mo is hindi niya kayang i-sustain yung future version mo or yung ideal version ng sarili mo. That's why you need to create this new identity. New year, new you. That's it, te. I hope you've learned a lot in this episode, te. And I'm rooting for you, te. Like, this advice, te, hindi lang to para sa inyo, but also para sa akin din to, te. Na this 2026, te, ito na yung year natin. year na natin to, te. Like, wala na makakastop sa atin, te. And, like, te, mapagod na tayo, te, to be the same person over and over again and wala tayong nakikitang progress. Hindi ka ba nauumay, te? Kasi ako, te, sobrang naumay na ako sa past version ko. So, sabi ko, I need to rebrand, reinvent myself na tama na. I need to do something different. I need to do something to have a different perspective and have a different outcome. Lahat ng mga best version and lahat ng mga goals natin, te, na isiset natin sa 2026 is lahat yan, te, is attainable. Lahat yan, te, is possible. It's up to you na lang, te, if you are willing to do the actual work, to sacrifice, sleepless night, te. Lahat yan, te, is possible. Lahat yan, te, is nag-e-exist na. Pero kung inaantay ka lang, te, ng mga goals mo na gawin mo mismo yung bagay na yun. And maybe, te, that's why hindi mo pa na-achieve yung mga ganun, te, kasi hindi pa ready yung version ng sarili mo as of the moment. In order for you to be ready, te, dapat gawin mo mismo lahat ng mga, kailangan gawin, the sacrifice, like everything, te. Like, rooting for you talaga, te. Kayang-kaya mo yan, te. And let me know, te, if ano ba yung goal mo next year sa 2026, te. Kasi maybe magka-idea din ako, te, na, i-put out ko yan din sa vision board ko. Kasi, te, isa sa mga goal ko talaga, hopefully talaga, maano to, sana talaga magka-1,000 followers na ako, te, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, and Facebook, te. At the same time, sana magka-ano talaga ako, te. I know, te, medyo cringy siya pakinggan and baka-impossible siya, pero sana talaga, te, billboard, oh my gosh. But everything that is possible, like every time na nadadaan ako sa EDSA, tapos kita ko yung mga billboard, sana sabi ko ganyan, sana magka-promotion din ako, ha, sana magka-brand deal din ako na ganyan, ha. But, everything is possible, te. Yung mga billboard na yan, exist na yan, te. So parang, it's about time lang talaga, and just keep doing the work and be consistent kasi it's about time. Also, tayo baka Tony Talks feeling talaga. Like, alam ko tayo natatawa na kayo. Alam kong feel ko, super naman lumaki yung ulo ni Ace, ha? But, walang possible talaga. Ito yung mga Tony Talks, lahat ng mga goal natin, nag-exist na yan. So, it's about time. Wishing you all the best and mag-pray tayo din lahat ng mga goal natin. This 2026 is matupad talaga, like consistency, new year, new me, patience, hard work, and glow up! Glow up mentally, physically, spiritually, financially. Girl, lahat na ng lite, i-glow up natin yan. Rooting for you, te, and let me know. Sana may natutunan ka. But yeah, ingat ka lagi, te, and always morning and remember, sama-sama tayo sa pag-achieve ng mga goals natin, te, and yeah, take care as always, te, and keep going. Bye!